Hi, today I'm going to be explaining to you which one is the better out of the two. Okay, these both are heavy flow, and my thing with these ones, see, this is where it folds over, and your underwear is like right here and your leg is right here, and the blood like goes onto that part, and that's what I don't like about these ones. But this one is the one you have to get because it has all this space for absorption if you leak. These ones catch the blood, but it just goes on the side. Which these ones just stay in place. It's all absorption. I think this one is the best one out of all of them. I'll send you a link where to get them, and they're really cute, and they come in like 6 different colors for like $15. It's like the best thing on Amazon. Thanks for watching this. Bye.